Hey designers, and welcome back. We have been to Dollar Tree and we have a few fun things to show you, so stick around. Welcome back, you guys, and a huge welcome to those of you that may be new here. I am Deena, and you have landed right here at DeeVine DeeZine. On this channel, we do all kinds of fun and crazy things. Dollar Tree is but a small part of that. But I'm glad you found me today, and I hope that you'll consider subscribing while you're here. Now, come on, let's get right on into today's haul. Well, as you guys can tell, I am sporting the pink today and those breast cancer ribbons. That's right, because it is October, which means Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And if you guys have been following this channel for any length of time at all, then you guys know that that's pretty special to me. We usually do giveaways. We will be doing one again this year, that's for sure. But in case you're new here, let me just fill you in. Back in 2000, I lost my paternal grandmother to the fight with breast cancer. Sadly for our family, she did not make it. However, I have had since then other family members that have fought that dreaded disease and won their battle. They are survivors full of hope. So, as you can well imagine, Breast Cancer Awareness Month is a pretty big deal around here. The first item that I got has to do with breast cancer awareness, and you probably already see them on the shelves behind me. And that is these little wooden plaques. You can see there on the back that they are hollow. There is a little wooden frame there. It's not really wood though. It looks like an MDF or real strong particle board is what that is, but they had several of those in my store. This first one here is the black one with the breast cancer awareness ribbon, and it just simply says breast cancer awareness. Next up, they had this beautiful white one with the pink, and it says hope. They also had this gorgeous light pink one with the pink ribbon that says think pink hope. And then they had this one here. I love this one. This one says, always remember you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, and smarter than you think. And then they also had this fun one here that kind of looks like wood. Yeah, I like that. This one says courage, hope, love, attitude, fight, trust, strength, living, and faith. I thought all those little signs were absolutely adorable, you guys. You can hang them on a wall or you can just set them on a shelf like I have done back here. But such a great reminder, especially during this time of year, this month, October, that they set aside as breast cancer awareness. We really should be self-examining every single month, ladies, to stay on top of our health. But it is a great reminder every October to go out there, have those mammograms, and make sure that we are staying on top of our health, because early detection really can be the difference between life or death. Next up also has to do with the breast cancer awareness, and that is this adorable little set of headbands. One of them is just a solid pink, and then the other one is black with the words hope and cure on there. I thought these were super, super cute, and you guys know how much I love wearing the little headbands up in my hair, so you get two for $1. That's a great deal. Picked up a couple of these little Special K protein bars. These make for a good little snack whenever you're out and about and you're shopping and you're getting a little munchy. Sometimes you need a lot more than sugar. You need to pump that protein up. This has 12 grams of protein per bar. This one is the strawberry meal bar. I haven't actually tasted mine yet. Baby girl had hers. She loves it, thinks it tastes delicious, so I can't wait to give mine a try. This next little item is a repurchase. You guys have seen me purchase this before, but that is the little soap holders that go on your shower. It has a little suction cup in the back there, and it holds your bar soap in the shower. We actually have two of these in our shower because the hubs and I most of the time use different soaps. I like to use the ones that are a little more scented and frou-frou. And of course he doesn't like those, so we have two of these in our shower. However, one of those the other day got broken, so we had to pick up another one. If you guys have been following this channel for any length of time, then you know how often I use the diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. I use it on a lot of different projects around here because I love bling. Yes. So they had the little adhesive back diamond wrap sheets back in stock. I picked up 4 of the fuchsia ones and 2 of the turquoise ones. I just love to keep these on hands. I don't really have necessarily a project in mind right now, but you know me, it won't be long and these will be on something. Speaking of rhinestones, look what they had. In honor of Breast Cancer Awareness Month, they had these super adorable little ribbons, the pink ribbons that are made out of rhinestones. So I had to pick up 2 of those. They also had the breast cancer awareness scarves out on the little end cap display. They had this super cute white one. It does have the breast cancer awareness ribbon on there, along with some little pink flowers. They also had this one in the store. This is a white one with all the different pink colored letters. It does have the breast cancer awareness ribbon on there, and it says things like hope, courage, fight, strength, all those words that give us courage to keep on checking and staying on top of our health. And then they also had this lovely one. It's just variegated colors of pink. It doesn't say anything about breast cancer awareness necessarily, but it is the beautiful pink coloring. I did pick up this little 4-pack of the little mini super glue bottles, containers, tubes. Tubes. This stuff right here comes in very handy. It is single use, so you can't put a cap back on it and save it for later once you open that up. But that's why I like it, because they are little teeny miniature ones. They do come with a little pointed cap up there that helps you direct that glue if you're working in small spaces, and it works wonderfully well. If you guys watched the live chat recently, I told you about a very special project that I have coming up to store all my jewelry, because I've accumulated quite a bit, and we've shown you different jewelry storage that we've been working on. It's probably been, I don't know, 3 or 4 months ago now, maybe even a little bit longer, but we showed you in the closet what we put up on the wall to hang all the necklaces. I've also shown you before in a Vlogtober video that we did how I am housing all my little earrings in the ice trays from Dollar Tree. Remember all of that? Yes. Well, now I want to place some of my jewelry down in some drawers that I have, and I need to work on a little project to hopefully make that a little better organized. To do that, I needed to pick up some of the foam core boards, and I also needed to pick up some of the vinyl top shelf liners, drawer liners, whatever you want to call it. These are supposed to be the ones that keep things from slipping and sliding. I'm going to experiment around a little bit, put this together, and if it works the way that I'm hoping it will, I'll be taking you along for the journey. We'll show you the DIY on getting those drawers all set up for jewelry organization, and hopefully it's going to help some of you, because I've had a lot of questions lately about some jewelry storage ideas. And there you go. Not a real big haul this time, but last time, remember, it was huge. So this time I tried to take it a little easier. That's right. But I did find some of these fun breast cancer awareness stuff. It is that time of year, you guys. Ladies, stay on top of your health, and really men too, because as we have talked about in the past, men can also get breast cancer. So it's real important that we stay on top of our health. But absolutely some fun things out there at Dollar Tree right now. All of the fall stuff is in full swing. I've even seen a lot of Christmas stuff, you guys. We have a couple Christmas DIYs that we will be working on together with you here very, very soon, because it's going to be here before we know it. Can you believe it? I know. Where does time go? It flies when you're having fun. But anyway, that's my haul for today. I want to thank you all so very much for tuning in, and I want to remind you, you were created for purpose, so go be all you can be. I'll see you soon in the next video.